How to increase TikTok reach with hashtags. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and just you need to upload any sort of video over here or any sort of post. So I'm going to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and as we tap on the plus icon, we'll be able to either create or just post it from our gallery as well. So simply select any of these things. I'm going to tap on the photo and simply click a random picture. So click a random picture over here and then tap on next. Now as you tap on next, here you can simply see the hashtags. So tap on hashtags and use a very relevant and more viral or something that is more convenient with your video or the post that you're making or something like that. You can simply see the suggestion by TikTok itself at the bottom of the screen as well. So you can simply select any of these and you can just use it. So you can simply tap on it and add yourself. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.